Jagna gets into their sets. Hamila. Isolation on top versus Costan. Hamila. Blocking foul on Antopina.
Foul on jersey number 8, Antopina. First personal foul, Antopina, first team foul. 14-second shot clock.
Whoa! And another foul on Tagbilaran City.
Number 8, Antopina.
Back-to-back fouls
Second personal foul
on Antopina.
Second team foul. Substitution. Ayeng for Antopina.
Galolo, baseline, floater. Can't get it to go. Costan. Alley-oop to Makwa. Makwa second try.
Foul.
Foul.
Foul on jersey number 10. Hernandez. First personal foul. First team foul.
Again, this is Game 2 of the Governor's Cup 2023 Finals, Juniors Division. Tagbilaran City leads the series 1-0. Jagna is looking to win this game and force a Game 3 back at Tagbilaran City next week. Hamila, open, number 8. Di ko familiar sa apelido. Fast break. Here's Murata again. What a steal by Tan. What a hustle play by number 5, Tan.
Tagbilaran's ball.
Gets back on defense.
Substitution.
Faces Murata straight up
Nunez for Hernandez.
and strips the ball away. Costan to Bautista. Lumada, number 8, is man-to-man defense on Murata. Makwa. Shovel pass. Underneath. Makwa! Wala! Galolo. Fast break. This is Tan. All the way. Drop. Number 12. No! But rebound.
Foul.
Number 12
Foul
was
on jersey number 8.
Lumada. Hindi. Number 8 is Lumada. Number 5 is Tan. So number 12 is Hamila. Makwa, corner 3. Can't get it. Costan, offensive rebound. Ayeng. What a footwork. What a footwork by Ayeng. Wow. Fakes two Jagna defenders for the end one opportunity.
First personal foul, Galolo. 3 team fouls. Substitution. Salada,
5 na lang
Kabila.
ang labaw.
Back to the ball game with 8 minutes and 21 seconds.
So we're back in the ball game. Makwa. Sorry for the interruption. There has been some commotion here sa mga fans, pero we're back and running. Bautista. Makwa. Open. Costan. What a rebound by Salarda. Salarda on the other end. for Hagna. Here's Tan. And as you can see here, Hagna. Tan, drop.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 19.
But let me continue what I was saying, no? Ang Hagna, so far, si Golondrina o si Bero who hit 3 3-pointers. Duha ka Bero ganina. I mean, 4 day gid eh. Tulo ka Bero, usa ka Golondrina, pero they haven't been back yet on the floor. Manang naapsa na gid ang Hagna sa Tagbilaran. They need those two on the floor. Tan, miss. This is Tagbilaran's comeback now. Abing on the run. Abing, wow!
Foul on jersey number 1. First personal foul, warning.
Tagbilaran City is slowly inching to the lead of Hagna.
Hamora for
So right as I said that,
substitution.
ibabalik ang star players Hagna si Hamora. And here comes Golondrina. Ni-click ang offense Hagna pag first quarter when Golondrina, Hamora, and Bero were playing. Each of them had a 3-pointer. Pero karon, second quarter, 7 minutes and 25 seconds left. Ni-apas ang Tagbilaran while all 3 of them were on the bench. And now, chance for Tagbilaran to take the lead. Costan, corner, Makwa, bang! First lead change of the ball game. Labaw na ang Tagbilaran City. Hamora, crossover move, kicks it out to the corner, Golondrina for 3! Bang! Right as I said it, Golondrina was part of the huge difference in Hagna's big first quarter. Golondrina fast break to Hamora. Slows it down to Salarda. Salarda drives.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 4, Costan.
And here comes Bero.
Costan.
Hindi na siya sa atong scoring table, ready to sub back in.
Substitution. Antok Lokiliano for Ayeng.
So these are the 3 players that clicked for Hagna ganina sa first quarter, no? Bero, tulo ka 3. Karon si Golondrina, duha na. And Hamora has 1. Staple of Team Hagna Juniors is their 3-point shooting. Salarda.
Out of bounds. Hagna's ball. 8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock.
One of the things to note for both these teams are missing key players. For Hagna, they are missing their star big man. Main big man, Pacaldo. Okay, na-injury ko na siya pag try out as a varsity player for HNU. And Tagbilaran City, on the other hand, is missing, I think his name, Bahaw. Yeah, Jomari Bahaw and Chua. Okay, kato silang duha, tuwa sila sa Sisafe in Cebu, varsity for USJR Jaguars. So both of these teams are missing key players. Grabe, second quarter, 6 minutes left, pero alas 11 as gabi. Laban lang taan mga higala. Bautista challenges the defense of Nunez. Can't get it to go. Hamora, but still by Bautista. Abing on the other end. Abing, Lokaliano back to Abing. To Costan. Oh, no good. Abing! Easy layup!
Foul on jersey number 4 of Bustan. Penalty. Third personal foul, Bustan.
This is only a 1-point lead for Jagna. Ganina, first quarter, gipauwanan sa 3. Sa Jagna, ang Tagbilaran City. Tulo ka Bero, usa ka Hamora, usa ka Golondrina. Then karon sa second quarter, gisaban ang tulo. 3 minutes into the second quarter na absan. Manang usa ni labaw karon. But right now, Jagna is trying to stabilize the lead. After Bero, Golondrina, and Hamora is back on the floor. Golondrina, Jagna, starting point guard, only gets 1 of 2 free throws. This is pasagad. Tolo Coliano, side step, wala. Bero, fast break. Nag-una na si Hamora. Og si Golondrina, mudang pa. Oh! Jelly layup for Martin Hamora, the star player of Team Jagna. 5 minutes to go in the second quarter. Bautista off the glass, no. Abing, turn around, no. What a tip. Good tip by Golondrina. Counter attack for Jagna. Bero, another three, no. Still, Salarda, yes. What a hustle play for Team Jagna.
Tagbilaran.
Running score is 39-33. 4 minutes and 40 seconds in the second quarter. So again, as you can see, katong naa pa si bench ang tulo ka players nga main gunners of Jagna. Golondrina, Bero, and Hamora. Ni action og apas ang Tagbilaran City. It was only down to a 1-point lead kanina. Pero pagbalik sa tulo, pagsudog balik sa tulo sa Jagna, they are able to stabilize the game and calm things down for Jagna. And now they're back on top with 6 points. Shout out sa atong 7.5K live viewers sa atong stream. Localiano. Gamble by Hamora there.
Foul on number 35.
Ni Gamble si Hamora ato mga higala on that low post action by Localiano. Nakasil si Localiano sa ubos. Hamora tried to go for the steal pero nakalusot nun si Localiano. And that leads to these 2 free throws. But Localiano missed the first. And he makes the second. 5-point lead for Jagna. Golondrina stops to Salarda. He drives. Blocking foul on number 16. Pasagad.
Personal foul, penalty.
That is a penalty. Penalty situation. Tagbilaran City. Again, this is the championship game of the Juniors Division in the Governors Cup 2023, Game 2. Salarda splits his free throws. Back to 6-point lead as Murata. Another long 3. Mote ikaupat nga sipyat ni Murata sa 3. Hamora, sidestep, all the way. Block by Murata. Pass rebound. Bero for 3. Short. Localiano for the board. Here's Murata. Gets it to Abing. Tumakwa. Abing, short jumper. Wala. Oh! Sky high rebound for Salarda. He wants to run. Salarda, Hamora. 3-on-2. Hamora, easy 2 points. Eight-point lead. 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. Murata drives. Closes out. Murata jumper. Oh! What a move by Horace Murata. Pass break. Stolen by Makwa. Out of bounds.
Substitution. Caniente for Makwa.
Flying Titan man si Salarda. Ingon si Joy Avenido. Grabe. Kusog kaayo mo layat. Bata ah. Here's Salarda. Right on cue. Bangga. Salarda. Jumper. Yes! Wow. What a performance here in Game 2 by number 1 of Jagna, Salarda. Abing. Thought about the 3. Goes to Pasagad. Drives. Traveling. Violation on Pasagad. Golondrina stops. Golondrina tripped. Pushing foul on Pasagad.
Foul, jersey number 16.
Nasapit gamay, gitod gamay, foul.
Foul, Pasagad. Penalty. Substitution. Bautista for Pasagad.
We are now up to 8K viewers on the Provincial Government of Bohol live stream on Facebook. Shout out kaninyong tanan. This is Golondrina. Penalty situation for Tagbilaran City. And this Golondrina number 17 shooter has already 2 3-pointers, no? And already has 4 free throws. Pangkalimanin niya by Golondrina. And he swishes it through. Now Bero. Face to face guarding Murata. Libre si Ayeng sa upos pero wakita sila Coliano. Ayeng! Put back! It's good.
Caniente.
Oh, sorry. Kanyete di ay. My bad. Kanyete number 11 of Tagbilaran. Bero. To Golondrina.
10 second shot clock.
Salarda screen from Hamora. Salarda pull up. No go. Rebound by Murata. But still. Golondrina. Alley-oop. Hamora fakes. What a defense by Abing there. But Hamora gets it. And Hamora puts it back up and in. Ten-point lead. 1 minute and 44 seconds left. Loliano. Drill. Steal by Hamora. Pass break. Golondrina to Pero for the moving tray. But almost by Pero. Murata counter attack.
Horace Murata.
And the easy 2 points on the other end. I was ready to say bang kung na-shot to ni Bero and bring the house down. Pero wala lang gid na shoot.
10-second shot clock.
Nunez, isolation on Localiano. Sayang ang layup mga kahigala. And Bautista on the other end for Tagbilaran City. Unom na lang. 48 to 42. Back-to-back transition baskets by Tagbilaran City. Na po ang labaw sa Hagna. Pero nakascore on 2 straight fast break possessions ang Tagbilaran. Time na to is 59.5 seconds.
59 seconds time remaining. Back to the ball game with 59 seconds.
This is a full court press here by Tagbilaran City. But it's a foul on Cañete. Penalty from Tagbilaran. Another 2 free throws
Penalty.
for Hagna. But Hamora misses on the first free throw. Hamora misses the second one.
Seconds. 10 seconds shot clock.
Golondrina to Salada, no! But was it a goaltending call? Yeah.
For Nesalarda.
Basket counts. Murag hilabtan ang ring ba to? Or ang net? Goal interference. So basket counts for Rene Salarda. That gives Hagna an 8-point lead. 50 to 42 with 30 seconds left in the second quarter. Abing to Bautista. Back to Abing for 3. No go. Rebound by Cañete. Steal by Hamora. And now this fast break. Last chance for Nunez to score. What a Bero. Easy jumper. Short. Yes! Cool, calm, and collected jumper from Bero. Localiano hits the top of the backboard.